regular carrot cake mix that I'm going to make into carrot cake. Got my tray now. I'm going to take my cake and I'm going to do a half a batch of the truffles. Now you can just use your hands if you want. I use gloves because it doesn't stick as well. And so it calls for 1 thing of frosting and 1 cake mix. So I think I'm just gonna do half a thing of frosting. So this is cream cheese frosting, because with carrot cake you want cream cheese. And we're just gonna mash this all together. Now some people will use a mixer. You can use a mixer if you want. I don't think I need to get the mixer out to do this. It should mix together pretty well. Now, okay, so now we're gonna throw these in the freezer and then we will let them set up and we will dip them. All right, I got my chocolate in the microwave. These aren't totally frozen, which is actually good because I can make them more circular. And then we're going to dip them in the white chocolate. And I am going to add just a scoop of coconut oil to make it just a little bit thinner. Then get these rolled into balls. I'm not gonna do the gloves, I probably should, but it's okay. Okay, so we have our dipping chocolate here. So we're gonna put in and shake off our chocolate. Oops. All right, I got my white chocolate left over and then I have some orange chocolate melts. Put a few of those in and I'm gonna get these melted for my decoration. I'm going to take my red, I don't know, this will be enough to fling. Yeah, maybe it will. Okay, I'm gonna let these sit up and we'll come back and cut them. Okay, I have them all cooled. So let me pick one. Here, I'll pick the mess up one. And cut it in half. Oh my. Oh, that looks delicious. Okay, have Mike come over and taste test. Okay, carrot cake truffles.
It looks like a meatball. But it smells like carrot cake. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's really good. Yum.
It tastes like carrot cake?
It does. Super delicious.
Yeah.